Good afternoon, Sunnybank families. We've got a very special surprise for you this afternoon. We actually have a number of certificates for families who participated in the learning at home during the recent pandemic measures. I have a set of certificates here. Alex has another set of certificates here, and I'm going to read them out for you now. Congratulations to Peter Alloway for amazing organisation, communication and care in homeschooling. Congratulations to Paul and Jasmine Scott for being successful learners. Congratulations to Barbara Riley for being a successful learner and helping Zoe during the lockdown. To Frank Ying for amazing care of Clement with his homeschooling duties. To Linda and Kevin, Tara's parents, for their amazing work over their difficult times. To the Jovic family, Boyana in particular, for positivity and continued support throughout home-based learning. To the Limpen family, for positive and continued support at home-based learning. To Laughlin's family, for support in home learning. Isla's family for their support. Isaac's family for positive work with Isaac at home. To Ocker's family for supporting Ocker in learning from home. For Luke's family for supporting Luke while learning at home. For Lepetti for some fantastic videos which we love to share and great learning at home. For Siku's family, for Martena, for excellent work at learning at home. For Liam's family, for learning at home activities. For Maua's family. And here's part 2. For Anton's family, for supporting Anton in home learning. For Alex's family, for learning at home. For Jackson's family, for valued support in learning. For Elijah's family, for Carvia's family, for value support in learning, for David Hughes's family, for support in great learning, and there's Sarah, she just snuck in, for Eason's family, for the great work that they did, and Jazz Rios family. Thank you very much. Our next lot of certificates are for the Hussein family for their great work. To Nathan Nicholas's family. To Liban's family. Great work, Liban. And his family at home. To Caleb's family for their support. And to Isabella's family. Congratulations to Lance's family. Great work. For continued positive support in home learning, Rosie's family. The Hussein family score another one for their continued positive support because they have 4 at school. To Tyson's family for great work. To Preston's family. Abraham's family for continued and positive support. To Sharon's family for their home-based learning. To Tom Tom's family for their continued support. To Balin's family for positive communication during the lockdown. And Galana's family for great work. Congratulations and thank you to the Phillips family for their home-based learning. Congratulations to the Massey family for their great work. To Joshua Bain family, one of our newest families, for their great work. The Jovics, get one again. Congratulations to Memphis's family for their wonderful work. Congratulations to Jerry's family for their fantastic work. To Jasmine's family, especially Yvonne, for all their engaging and learning from home. To Naj's mum for maintaining communication with the school. To Neil's mum for persevering to complete learning from home. To Enoch's family for acknowledging that education was a priority for him. For Enya, engaging and learning from home. The Ritchie family for their fantastic work. That's Levi's family. And last but least, can I have a drum roll? To Tatum and his family for their fantastic work. Thank you very much to all those families.